How to upload photos to NanoBanana.AI. Let's get your photos on NanoBanana.ai. It's super simple when you know these steps, and we will walk through it together. First thing first, open any browser that you like. Here I'm using Google. Let's use Chrome. And search for NanoBanana.ai. Let me show you. So this is the link for the NanoBanana, and this is how it should look like. So once you're in, just gently navigate your eyes around the screen. Let's scroll down, and here you can see an option called prompt engine. And under the prompt engine, you can see two options right over there: image to image and text to image. So you can use both of the options. What we need right now is image to image, as we are going to upload the images to nano.ai. Let's go down, and here you can see an option for the reference image, and here you can upload up to 9 photos for a reference. So let's tap on it, and it will open up your gallery. And now you have to choose photo, or you can see a reference photo. Let it be loaded, and after it, simply tap on the main prompt and give it a prompt so that it will be easier for NanoBanana to make the image that you want. Let's keep it. I'm just giving it a simple prompt. You can give the prompt as you like, and after typing the prompt, simply tap on generate now. Here it shows it has insufficient credits, so my plan is already gone. So the process is simple. Just tap on the generate now. After you tap on generate now, you will see the processing in this output gallery right over here, and it will show you the chances. So that was the process due to the lack of the credits, and I'm not using the pro version, so that's the process. I hope this video helped. And lastly, if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.